football day. So, ito yung suot ni Alexander. Magbabas kami today dahil pagod si Afam dahil sa work. Yan. Super happy niya. Where are you going, Alexander? And then, do you love football? Yan. Oh God. Ang tagal ng bus. 30 past 11 yung ano ni Alexander. Hopefully hindi kami malate. Sabi naman ni Afam kung gusto ko, pwede ko naman siyang ihatid din. Diba? Kasi mas madali talaga yung car. But sabi ko sa kanya, wag na kasi pagod ka.
Split something for you to be in the line. And this you rotates in ya.
Oh, wait, let me check. There's a hair. My hair is in yours. So. well, let me get it. Okay guys, see you later guys pag nasa football field na kami. Bye! Yan, nandito na kami sa bus. Oh my God! Alexander, come here now! Tapos, na-miss namin yung bus namin going sa football field. So, kukunin na lang kami ni Afam. Alexander! Kunin na lang kami ni Afam guys. So, maglalakad ako going there. Sabi niya, kukunin ko na lang kayo dahil malilate kayo. Alexander, come here now! Daddy will get us. So, we need to go somewhere. Yan. Si Alexander ay walang kamuwang-muwang.
Yeah. Oh, wait a second.
Kasi late na eh. Come on! We need to go there. So, yan na lang guys. Ending. Ang ending pala is si Apam din yung magsisend sa amin. Pero okay lang. Yeah. He will pick us up.
Yeah, you said.
Tapos, saan ba ako pupunta? Pupunta ako doon, tapos i-pick up niya kami. And we're going together sa football. Kasi yung next na bus is 30 minutes. So, malilate na kami. Sayang din. Kasi may bayad na tong football guys eh. Hindi siya libre. Kaya, ayoko i-miss. Yeah, kaya kailangan ko talagang mag-drive na. Ang hirap pag hindi nag-drive. Dito na kami sa sasakyan. Kinuha na kami. Dito ako sa back kasi nga ano ko pa si Alexander. Car seat. Okay. You okay? Drink water. Drink water. Drink water. Oh no. Okay, drink water. Oh my goodness, sobrang busy ko everyday. Tapos na yung training ni Alexander. Come here now. Hey, come here now. Daddy's waiting for you. We are done na guys. Si Alexander, oh my God, naglaro naman siya pero hindi super as in super talaga. So anyway, we're going to home na. Kasi supposedly, kung hindi ko kasama si Afam, I'm going to, to film sa shop. Pero, dahil kasama siya, punta na lang ako sa, sa bahay. Yeah, Alexander?
Yeah.
Let's go na. Hello everyone! Mag-film ako today guys. Punta ako ng shops, retail park na madami silang mga shops. Meron silang Primark, H&M, River Island, New Look. So pupuntahan ko yung mga shops. Ito pala yung ating OOTD. Yan, very simple lang. Pag nag-film ako guys, ito yung suot ko. Sneakers lang kasi pag high heels kasi madali ka mapagod. I mean, sakit. Okay naman pero masakit. Tapos, yan. Medyo malamig-lamig siya pero mamaya kasi hindi siya malamig. So, nag-spaghetti kaya pwede kong i-remove or blazer lang. So, yes, pumunta si Afam. Sabi ni Afam, ihatid niya ako. Sabi ko, wag kasi traffic. Sobrang traffic, guys. So, I don't know what happened kay Afam. Always yan akong gustong sinusundo at hinahatid tsaka sinusundo. I don't know. Hindi naman siya ganyan before. Hinahayaan niya lang ako. So, yeah, I love it. Actually, itong blazer, I noticed, always ko siyang ginagamit kasi nga, yung color niya is dirty white. So, match siya sa most of my clothes. Ito din. Pagka-dirty white din siya. So, yan lang guys. Update ko kayo mamaya. Hindi ako masyado mag-film doon kasi nga busy ako mag-film para sa isang channel. Okay? See you. Bye-bye. Love you. Pag may mga tanong kayo, comment nyo lang guys. Wala kasi nagtatanong kaya wala din akong sinishare masyado. Focus sa ibang bagay. Okay, bye. Tapos ito pala yung bag ko. Yan. Yung laman lang nito guys, key, tsaka cellphone, tsaka mga cards. Pambayad na maya. Pag may binili tayo. Most likely sa Primark mabibili ako. Pero sa other shops, wala. Kasi okay na ako sa aking mga damit. Mga ano na ako, parang minimalist. So yeah, bye-bye. See you later. Bye.
But it starts here.
Yeah.
The traffic starts here, it's like this, yeah?
Yeah.
But it starts here, not in the fucking...
Yeah.
So if you add all the people that avoiding like this then, yeah? All the way up to the roundabout, fucking cars, line of cars, yeah? Oh god. And they're fixing this road for so long now.
Marami kasing ginagawang roadworks guys, kaya super traffic. Tignan nyo, hindi pa ako nakapag ng buhok ko. Supply. Kasi nga, after kong mag-send kay Alexander, normally may time pa kami mga 40 minutes. Pero dahil may mga roadworks, kailangan namin mas early para sa work niya. Sa akin naman, walang problema. Pero ihatid niya kasi ako, kaya kailangan mas maaga. Kaya yun, hindi na muna ako nakapag pero okay lang, pupunta lang naman ako ng town center, tapos mag-film ako. Kahapon nag-film ako and I really like it kasi super laki ng Primark na pinuntahan ko, and then may nabili din akong sandal which is I love it kasi sale. Oh my god, so tumaga na mukha ako. Okay guys, see you later.
Another TikToking at home. And a third one bringing her whole footy team to game from home. With EE full fiber broadband, you get the speeds you want.
I'm going to get one of that. I'm here sa Lidl guys. Kasi nga, kanina, supposedly, I'm going to sa ibang shops. Kaso nga lang, tinatamad ako. So sabi ko, pupunta na lang ako dito sa Lidl and then go home, buy some groceries. Tapos may nakita akong pumpkin. Oh my god, look at, may nakita akong small pumpkin. I'm thinking to buy it now or maybe wag na lang muna ngayon kasi nga meron akong binili din sa isang shop. So I think wag muna. Anyway, tinatamad kasi ako. Supposedly pupunta ako ng isang retail park to film sa madaming bagay, but ito na lang ako sa Lidl.
Turn right, 'cause I'm going to the forest.
You're going to the forest?
Yeah, but it's on this way, not this way.
Oh dear. Can you see the back from the mirror? When you drive? Where's the mirror? Can you see? Tapos na siya sa school. Kinuha ko siya tapos naglinis lang ako ng sasakyan
I'm
kaunti.
not enjoying this because it's like this snake and I have us today and hit the trees.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
not right. I hate it.
Okay, let's go now.
Here.
What's that? Okay, let's go now. Let's go now. Look at Halloween na.
Right?
Yeah. So nice, yeah?
Yeah, so I'm so afraid.
Home na guys. Ito pala yung aking outfit kanina. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko is maglilinis kasi linis is life. Yeah.
You need hurry.
Okay.
Yeah, you need.
Ito pala yung bago kong binili today.
You need the other one then, because you didn't saw about me.
Okay.
The salt.
Bago ko siyang
No,
binili
you need
lang.
to go. I'm going to go. No, I need to put something to the end. You did something. That's right.
Yeah, maglilinis na ako guys. See you later. Tomorrow na lang siguro. Bye-bye.
Can you do it with me
No,
this
no,
time?
no. No, oh, next time. Okay? Bye-bye now.
Okay, just do it with me this
Kasi maglilinis na ako guys. Tapos pag naglilinis kasi ako, normally is... Oh my God.
Fire!
Gabi na. Pag naglilinis kasi ako guys, gusto ko yung comfy yung suot ko. So, yung sinusuot ko is, pambahay. Yan. Pero comfy naman din to.
Yesterday.
Yan. From
Because it was
New Look yata. Oh my God, nakalimutan ko. Tagal ko na kasi to. New Look yata or Atmosphere. But very comfy siya. Actually, I like it. I don't know why. Ang tagal ko nang meron nito, hindi ko siya sinusuot. To be honest ngayon, mostly lang sinusuot ko is mga old clothes ko kasi tine-check ko siya. Kasi, di ba, medyo size 8, 10 ako before, tapos tumaba ako, naging size 10 or 12. After that, yung mga old clothes ko, nilagay ko siya sa ibang bag. So, ngayon nakita ko, slowly I'm trying to use my old clothes. So, ito yung old ko na trouser. Yan, tagal na nito. So, anyway, see you. Thank you for watching and see you next time, guys. Bye!
Fire!
Bye!